Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to change your Cisco password in 2025. With cyber threats evolving every day, keeping your network secure by updating passwords is a must. Whether you're managing a home router or a corporate setup, this quick guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Cisco device or web interface using your current username and password. This could be through the Cisco iOS command line or the web-based dashboard, depending on your setup. Once you're in, navigate to the Administration or Settings menu. Look for options like User Management or Account Settings. That's where the magic happens. Step 1. Locate the password change feature. In most Cisco systems, you'll find it under Security or Profile Settings. Click on that to proceed. Step 2. Enter your current password for verification. This is a security measure to ensure only authorized users can make changes. Step 3. Now, type in your new password. Remember, for 2025 standards, it should be at least 12 characters long, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This will help protect against breaches. Step 4. Confirm your new password by re-entering it in the provided field, then hit Save or Apply Changes. You might see a confirmation message. Double-check that. Step 5. To verify everything worked, log out and log back in using your new password. If it doesn't work, double-check for any typos or errors. A quick pro tip: use a password manager to generate and store strong passwords securely. It saves time and boosts your overall security. And there you have it. Your Cisco password is now updated and more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.